Emergency preparedness at work is essential to ensure everyone's safety. In just 60 seconds, we'll cover the essential steps to stay safe. First, create an emergency kit. Include water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, emergency contact information, a passport, clean clothes, and pen and paper. Next, develop an emergency plan. Identify evacuation routes and safe meeting points. Conduct regular training and drills. Preparation can save lives. Effective communication is crucial. Use alert systems. Stay informed about potential hazards. Monitor weather alerts and news updates. Emergency preparedness in the workplace is a team effort. By building an emergency kit, developing a plan, conducting regular drills, and staying informed, you can ensure a safer work environment for everyone. Remember, preparation is the best protection. For more tips, subscribe our channel. Thank you.